How to delete Telegram account in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can delete our Telegram account in iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to delete your Telegram account in iPhone, it's actually quite very simple to do. You have to open up the Telegram app and tap on the gear icon from the bottom right and come to settings. Then from here simply go to Telegram FAQ. Now under Telegram FAQ, scroll up under the your account section and look for an option that says delete your Telegram account, and then simply tap on it. Then once you tap on delete your Telegram account, here it says how do I delete my account, you'll find this option that says deactivation page. So you have to simply tap on the deactivation page link and it will take you to this page where you have to enter your phone number and verify it. So you have to enter it in the international format. My country code is 977, so I enter plus 977 depending upon which country code. After that only make sure to enter your phone number. As you can read here also it says enter your phone number international format. Tap on next, verify the code, and then after that you will be able to permanently delete your Telegram account. This way you will be able to delete Telegram account in iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.